Hey, just want to throw this out here. Social Media Examiner just a couple weeks ago threw out a big, huge report showing us all the different things and all the different things marketers are doing and the success they're seeing or the success they're not seeing. And it was really kind of fascinating. But the one thing I want to talk about just real quickly here today was one factor, and that's the fact that marketers are seeing less value out of Facebook advertising right now than they ever have. Now, it's still by far the most dominant, but they lost double-digit numbers, percentage points in Facebook advertising, and where you're seeing that growth pick up is YouTube and Instagram. So the reason I point that out here is if you guys are trying to do advertising, if you're trying to be a marketer organically or paid, definitely have multiple branches out there. We should always have out there, but right now I'd definitely be looking at Instagram. Instagram seems to be having a huge pull in this arena. So I would do something along those lines to see how that works for you. Also, the other thing I would say is, and it's why you see all the stuff doing in our group that we're doing now is I'm kind of testing some of this out. Facebook groups is growing leaps and bounds by popularity. One, you're not seeing a lot of advertising put in there. We'll see if that changes. But two, it brings that real elite group, that real elite following for you in your environment. So if you're not already having a group for your special clients or for whoever you're trying to build those lifelong relationships, neighborhoods, whatever you're going after, definitely try to think about adding a group and trying to have that elite little environment in there and build the organization, build the conversation, build it out there and keep growing. The bigger the numbers, the bigger the reaction, the bigger the communication, but do that from there. So those are just two thoughts I wanted to have real quick for you on this beautiful day, and I hope you guys have a good one.